Closing sales transactions lesson from solving a Rubik's Cube. In summary, solving Rubik's Cube teaches us that success is about strategic alignment, patience, and persistence. Similarly, closing a sales transaction requires building trust, overcoming challenges, and executing with precision. Just as every twist of the cube must align with the overall solution, every step in the sales process must move you closer to a win-win outcome. By treating each stage as a step in solving puzzle, you can approach sales with clarity and confidence, ensuring both you and your clients achieve and satisfying outcome. Take the challenge today, whether it's solving Rubik's Cube or closing your next sales transaction. Approach is with strategy, patience, and focus. Each twist and turn, each conversation and step is a move toward achieving the perfect alignment. Sharpen your skills, embrace the process, and create solutions that leave a lasting impression. The cube and your success are in your hands.